I'm sure you understand that drones are making a big impact in the world today, but all you have to do is just look behind me here and see how crazy it really is. This is the center of the universe as far as drones are concerned this week, and there are thousands and thousands of people behind me that are looking at all these amazing creations. So everything from miniature drones we'll be seeing here today. There are drones that you can put in your hand that you can throw in the air and they take off, to things that are, or drones that are so large that you can sit in them and they'll fly you around. So everything in between is here, including gimbals that of course were used for video and photographing, to infrared sensors. Everything you can imagine is behind us right now, and we're going to go take a look at some of the amazing innovations that we're going to see in the future with drones. This is your Guru Geek at CES 2019.